Your money is disappearing, and nobody is stealing it. In fact, everything looks completely normal. But quietly, every single year, your money buys less than it did before. Here's exactly what's happening. Imagine a burger costs $2. You save $10. You can buy 5 burgers. Simple. Now imagine next year that same burger costs $3. You still have your $10, but now you can only buy 3 burgers. Your money didn't change. The burger didn't change. But your $10 is now worth less than it was before. That is inflation. Inflation is simply when prices rise over time, meaning the same amount of money buys you less than it used to. Think of it like this. Imagine there are 10 people in a room and only 5 apples. Each apple costs $1. Now someone walks in and gives everyone extra cash. Suddenly, everybody wants apples, but there are still only 5. What happens? The price of apples goes up. More money chasing the same goods always pushes prices higher. This is the most common cause of inflation. Too much money in the system, not enough goods to match it. This is why your parents talk about how cheap things used to be. A cinema ticket that cost $1 in 1970 costs $15 today. A house that cost $30,000 now costs $300,000. The product didn't get 10 times better. The money just got weaker. And here's what makes it dangerous. Inflation doesn't just raise prices, it quietly destroys savings. If you leave $10,000 in a bank account for 10 years and inflation runs at 5% every year, your money loses nearly half its purchasing power without you spending a single cent. Now here's something most people don't know. A small amount of inflation, around 2%, is actually healthy for an economy. It encourages people to spend and invest instead of hoarding cash. The problem only starts when inflation gets out of control. So next time prices go up and everyone's complaining, now you know exactly why. Is inflation a necessary evil or a broken system? If this helped you see things clearly, subscribe for more simple breakdowns.